Okay, our soap is ready to be unmolded. Oh, look at it. You can see if you can see it closely like I'm seeing it, the particles. So we remove it from the mold. Whatever the mold you are using, we remove it. Okay, you can see it. Looking so yummy already. You can imagine what it will be showing you on the body. So I'll be cutting it into two now. Remember what we put inside it is the honey, turmeric, vitamin E, glycerin. Is looking so yummy. This helps against anti-aging and so many other things. So I'll be cutting it into two pieces. Okay, so depends on how you want to cut your hole. When I pack this one, I will sell it nothing less than 1.5. As you see it like this, I will trim every trimmable and sell it as much as 1.5 per one. Look at it. If you can see very closely, you can see the particles inside it already. Look at it. Looking so. Imagine putting this one, washing your body with this. Nice one. If this is what you want, you are looking for, you are in the right place. Let's get into it. Hello everyone, once again you are welcome to my channel. Thanks so much to all my returning subscribers. You people are awesome people. Thanks so much for the time spent watching my videos. And if today happens to be your first time of coming across my video, you are welcome. Feel free and feel comfortable to stay back, watch this one and watch every other video. You will surely enjoy it. And do one thing, just click on that like button, subscribe to the channel, share it, and then let's keep going. Okay, the first one I show us is the bleach palm oil. I'll be producing turmeric honey bathing soap. Wow, beautiful. So the first one I showed is the palm kernel, the bleach palm oil. It's 200 grams there, and the one by the side is the caustic solution. I soaked, that is this. I pre-soaked the caustic solution, and I'll be adding turmeric to it. I'll be adding the honey to it. So I decided to pour the light solution into the oil, but it seems the cup wasn't taking it. The cup was too small for it, and so I have to transfer it to a bigger bowl. Sorry about that. I would have used this bigger bowl initially. Sorry about that. All the same, we still continue. Okay, so you mix it together. What you see me do is the light solution with the oil that I'm mixing together. Do take note that almost immediately it's getting strong. It's getting middle trace. The oil wasn't as hot as it was to be. Okay, so make sure your oil is warm. Though I warmed it, but it stayed for some time before I tended to it. Okay, so all the same, you can see what I'm doing. Okay, like I said, I'll be adding my honey to it and then the turmeric. All the same, I'm still mixing it. So the first one I'm going to add to it is just about half a teaspoon of honey. And we know the benefit of honey. Honey helps in there reducing inflammation on the skin. It helps to smoothen the irritated skin. Okay, it helps to smoothen it. Okay, and it's also a natural antibacterial agent. Okay, that is the importance of honey in this soap. In fact, if you try this soap, you will not use any other soap again. And of course, honey in the soap helps the skin to remain hydrated. Your skin will not just be dry again. Okay, what you see me add is the turmeric powder. Wow, we all know the benefit of turmeric powder. The turmeric powder helps to brighten our skin. It also helps against anti-aging. Okay, it gives us it helps to remove dead skin from the body. That is the work of the turmeric. turmeric in the soup. And you know, of course, when you take turmeric, what they also help in doing your body. Okay, and this is a glycerin I added to it, just about half a teaspoon too. You know, the glycerins also help in smoothing, moisturizing the skin. Okay, it helps to make your skin moisturized, fresh and good. Okay, and what did you see me added again? I added vitamin E. You know the importance of vitamin E in the skin. You can see this soap looking so yummy, looking so chocolate. You need to join my online classes. My number is on the screen there for you to join my online classes, either physical class or online class. You can have the offline class or online class. You are welcome. And you can see beside this my ebook. My ebook is available. Over it you have so many recipes that you can practice on your own at home. It's a token. You need to get it. You really need to get it. Okay, as you join the class you need to get it. Okay, so you can see me turning it. Despite it's already thickening, you still have to mix all those things you added together properly so that it doesn't separate your soap. Oh, this soap is looking yummy. In fact, looking as if it should be eaten. It's not edible. I'm only cracking a joke, but you can see how beautiful it is. Even putting this on the body, the body will thank you. So let's quickly pack it to the mold so that it doesn't solidify right in our bowl. Okay, so you can see it. I'm using this bowl. Oh, in fact, I'm really eager to see the outcome of this soap. I'm really eager to see. You need to practice it, and don't forget, join my online classes. It could be online, it could be offline. You are welcome. Okay, I have numerous students coming around for the offline classes, and in fact, they are giving testimony. Very soon, I will show their testimonies where they are appreciating the class. Okay, and even the students online, they appreciate the training. Whichever one that is convenient for you, you are welcome. Okay, so you can see you pack it into the mode of your choice. Okay, the mode of your choice, pack it into the mode of your choice. Okay, so we allow it to solidify. When it cures, I'll come back to show us. See you then. Don't forget to join my online class, and don't forget to subscribe. God bless you. See you then. Bye.